Hello friends, welcome in my new video. As we all know, Diwali is coming soon. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper lantern. So for it we need color sheets, stickers, glitter sheets, glue, pencil and scale and scissor. So before starting, please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon button. So let's begin. So for this we need a A4 size sheet of any color you want. With these we are gonna make 7 by 7 centimeter square boxes and some stripes. With these things we are gonna make something like this. So I'm showing it how to paste it. So first we have to take a glue and use it on the borders. And after this we need to use the stripe and paste it on this border. Then this extra part we have to cut. And now we have to place glue on this side. And same with here. And this process we have to do on every border. So after pasting all of these, it would look like this. And then we have to add some glue over the back. After doing this, we have to tilt it like this and paste these by turning like this. And then hold it for some time as it would open. So it is done. And then I took a pink glitter sheet. You can take any of these. So then I have to paste it diagonally here. So then I will press it and here it is completed. Now we have to make 11 like this. So now it's completed. And now we have to take a A4 size sheet and cut it 13 by 23 centimeters. So I'm cutting it now. So now I have cut it. Now I have to use a glue and paste it here. After this I have to bend it from this side and make it in a circle. So I have pasted it now. Now I need one more glitter sheet with 1 centimeter strip. So now I am pasting it. So now it is done. And we have to do same at the other side. So now it's done. Now we'll take these and paste the glue in the middle part. So now I have pasted it, and after this we'll take it and paste it over here. Here we go. Now we are done with it. So now we have to do same with every of these. So now our lantern is done. Now we have to make this lower part of a lantern. So now for this I have took two sheets which are pink and yellow. So now I have made a 1 centimeter line on the top, and between the line and the border we have to paste the glue. And the other sheet would be pasted on this. Now I have drawn a 1 centimeter line again. From this side again 1 centimeter, and now I have to make more lines from here till the end. So now I have drawn all the lines. Now we have to cut it from the bottom to here. Now I'll show you the first cut. So now I have cut the one line. Now we have to cut all of these same. So now I have cut all of these. So in the last we have to make a triangle here. And now this triangle which we have made, we have to cut it. So now I'm cutting it. So here we go. It would look like this. So now here it is done. And now we have to join both of the borders. So I would take out some glue here and then spread it a little bit. And now I have to paste it from here. Here we go. Our lantern's lower part is also completed. Now we have to join both upper and lower part together. So here is our upper part. It would look like this. So now we have to paste the glue at all of the upper part. Now I have pasted glue on the upper part of the lower part of the lantern. So now I have to put this part into the lamp. So after pasting it, it would look like this. And now we have to add the handle. We have to paste the handle. So I'll paste the glue here and at the other bottom. And now in the last, so now we have to paste it here. And the other corner at the opposite side. So yay! Now it's done, completed. Our lantern is completed. Yay! So now it's completed. So thanks for watching this video.